Hi fam, we're Route XYZ, and you're tuned into Easy Ride.
Late ba? Ay. Late ba? Ay. Tira late ba? Ay. Ikaw lang naman singer. Ako. Alam ka naman si Hero. To. Doon na nakatira, late pa.
Ay! Sino ba? Ako na lang.
Ano, pinitang ka?
Hindi ako.
Hindi ako putol. hindi ako putol.
Madami. All naman, all.
All.
Ako? O bagay.
Wala dito.
Wala.
Doon. Dancer ka, di ba?
Dancer.
Sample.
Ano
Dancer too.
Anong
Dance.
Spaghetti pa baba.
Spaghetti. Tama.
Cook. Nagluluto kami lagi pag rehearsal.
Sarap.
Sarap. Lagi lechon. Lagi lechon.
Sabi niya, sarap.
Guys, we are Route XYZ, and you can follow our social media accounts at Route XYZ, and makikita niyo yung mga masisipag naming contents. Makikita niyo yung mga contents namin. And then, you can stream our new single, Madama, on all digital music platforms. Remember someone today with Route XYZ. Bye, fam.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.